लंबे पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है? Here we come with Beyond the Noise clips. Please subscribe us on this channel also and hear more insights from us. Thank you.
What is the main difference between CA
Yeah.
and ACCA? That's the main, cherry on the cake question of our podcast. Because most of the people think that, ACCA is not that equivalent to CA in Indian, mindset. So can you please give me a detailed overview on that?
Yes, so I would say the main difference first of all is CA is in India, ACCA is from UK.
Done.
CA का जो accounting standard है that is Ind AS. ACCA का is IFRS, which is International Financial Reporting Standards.
Okay.
Those standards have been adopted and have been made compulsory in 140 countries. So the listed companies have to compulsorily follow those.
Okay.
And in the rest of the countries, they have been adopted voluntarily by the जैसे इंडिया के अंदर it has been voluntarily adopted. A lot of the standards have been voluntarily adopted. So in total, roughly 180 countries now follow IFRS standards.
Okay.
So basically, if you have ACCA, you're following IFRS standards, you can work in 180 countries in the world.
Okay, so you're getting a better advantage if you're having...
Yeah, so if you want to go and live somewhere in the foreign country, ACCA would be the better choice.
There are many persons who are having multiple degrees, right?
Yeah.
So they also work see, if you're living in India, but you outsource. So is it okay, or you compulsory have to give your physical presence?
I think it is okay. Yeah.
It is okay.
I'm not 100% sure, but as long as I know, it is okay.
And after that, you started your master's in finance.
Masters in professional accountancy.
Okay.
Yeah, that was again from University of London, which is affiliated with ACCA. It was a 60 credit course. There are 2 elective courses I need to take. I've taken both of them and they are completed.
Okay.
अब एक capstone project है, which I have to submit again a research report like the bachelor's.
Okay.
I'm currently doing it, and by May 25 I should be done with the masters.
Okay, so you going to London, or you working?
No, so there are 3 options. You can either go to London,
Okay.
you can go to Singapore, or you
Okay.
can do it from here. I'm
Okay,
doing it
so
from
that's great. See, they are having flexibility
Yeah.
in that also. We can discuss कि ये सब तो कर लिया. So what is your goal after that? कि I've gotten my master's degree also. So what after that?
So after that, I'm also going to pursue a second master's
Okay.
in the US. I want that to be in finance because I'm ACCA में दो पेपर है जो finance के ऊपर है, financial management and advanced financial management. When I was studying this, the forex, derivatives, option pricing वो सब पढ़ा, and I really like those subjects, and मुझे accounting से better लगा personally. So I want to go down the path of finance, which is why I want to pursue a master's in finance in the US.
Okay.
And I'm currently planning for the same. Next year या तो maybe the year after that I want to go and do a master's. और उसके बाद अभी कुछ श्योर फिट नहीं कि यही करना है, लेकिन आइडियली पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट या इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में जाना है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में जाना है. व्हाट इज योर मोस्ट लवेबल फर्म कि मेरे को इसमें तो जाना ही है, मेरे को क्रैक तो करनी है?
दैट वुड बी द बेस्ट फर्म्स. ब्लैक रॉक है, जेपी मॉर्गन है.
हाँ, जेपी मॉर्गन. उसके लिए इज दैट देयर अ स्पेसिफिक थिंग कि यू मस्ट पास आउट फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज ओनली, या इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर नॉलेज क्राइटेरिया?
नॉट रियली. देयर इज नो सच थिंग कि यू नीड टू हैव अ मास्टर्स इन फाइनेंस फॉर द जॉब, बट it helps if you have the qualification. And regarding the same, finance में जब मेरा ACCA में interest हुआ, I even decided to pursue CFA, which is Chartered Financial Analyst, which is completely based on finance. It is in depth in finance. It is one of the most recognized qualifications in the field of finance. So I've already cracked the level 1 out of all 3. I'm giving the second attempt next year.
Okay, so if you want to go to US, right? So apart from CA, आपको IELTS या GRE भी देनी पड़ती है.
Right.
So in this field, so were you preparing for IELTS or GRE, और अभी prepare कर रहे हो?
I've given both the exams.
Okay.
अभी recently the IELTS I got 8.5 out of 9.
8.5,
Yeah,
okay.
and GRE I got 320 out of 340.
तो सब में ऐसे टॉप करते करते घंटा नहीं आता कि कभी एक बार किसी में तो थोड़े कम लाना है, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो वैसा ही था. आई वाज जस्ट उनो रिवर्स व्हेन आई वाज इन माय 10th, राइट?
Yeah.
आफ्टर 11th आई गॉट मैच्योरिटी कि अभी थोड़ा पढ़ लेना है. एंड एट दैट मोमेंट व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग, तब कोविड आ गया और हम सबको पास कर दिया. सो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू शोकेस माई सेल्फ एट दैट सिनेरियो, बट स्टिल currently I believe that no, I'm going on a very good path.
Yeah.
So, I am also planning कि मेरे को भी कुछ ऐसा करना है, not in that way, in overseas country कि I want to pursue something. Where do you see yourself after next 10 years? What is Dishan thinking that, where do you want? See, जैसे Mike Ross thinks that he wants to be Harvey Specter. where do you see yourself?
Okay, so I mean, I'm just 18 right now, so I'm not 100% sure 28 पे कहाँ पे होऊंगा. लेकिन if I'm to give you I would say a rough path.
All right.
So after the masters in finance, as I said, I would like to work in the finance industry somewhere, gain substantial experience for 5 to 7 years, learn the ins and the outs of the industry, learn how it works, make some connections, and after that I would like to start my own financial services firm. लेकिन कैसे करूँगा and everything, I really don't know right now.
So ગુજરાતી હોય એટલે ધંધો તો છેલ્લે કરવો જ પડે. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, because at the end what it matters is that I want to run my
Right.
firm, and that what matters is.